Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make a strawberry earthquake cake. I didn't even know this existed, but it's beautiful and it looks really springy. And who doesn't love strawberries, whipped cream, and chocolate? So, let's get started. Okay, we have our strawberry cake mix. We're going to put we're going to use a cup of milk instead of the water, and a half a cup of melted butter instead of the oil, and we'll use our 3 eggs. Now we're going to sprinkle some white chocolate in here. I didn't have white chocolate chips, so I found some white chocolate in the freezer, baker's chocolate. So we're going to try it because I don't want to go to the store. I'm hoping it's kind of the same thing. We'll see. Cream cheese, or melted butter, kind of melted, vanilla, So we're going to mix these 3 together. Now we're going to add our powdered sugar. Beautiful strawberries. And we just want to kind of fold those in. Okay, now we're just going to put dollops on this cake. And then we'll mix it in with the knife. Okay, now we're going to make swirls. We don't want the cake mix mixed up too much. We're ready to go to the oven. 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, friends, we're at that time of day where it's the favorite time of day. We get to try our strawberry earthquake cake. Looks good. Oh my, that's good. Definitely tastes like strawberries. Oh, that is delicious. Okay. That is really, really good. Tastes like strawberries. And I think you could probably even use a white cake, because with the strawberries in the cream cheese mixture, it's still gonna be tasting like strawberries. This is good. Okay, folks, well, thank you for stopping by. Please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps us out. And we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.